friends, my name is Nazire, a PhD student at ÇUKUROVA University, Department of Anatomy. Dr. Fakhri founded our department. Our department was established to conduct research by testing the structure and functions of the human body. It was established to create and educate staff in the medicine faculty, dental faculty, and other medicinal faculties. Courses like clinical anatomy, surgical anatomy, anthropology, and artistic anatomy are given in our department. There are courses that are given to Erasmus students in order to ensure the learning mobility. In general, courses like macroscopic anatomy, neural anatomy, and artistic anatomy are given. We take also preparation courses and courses from other faculties in order to ensure the connection between disciplines.